Hello everyone, we have a problem and we've been asked to find the area of this rhombus. Already it's an equilateral rhombus because we have two congruent lines here and all of the angles are 90 degrees. And also we know that this point is the midpoint of the whole side lengths because this segment and this segment are congruent. So we can consider the whole length of this square as x. This side will be also x. We can donate this side as y and this side as z. We can extend this line a bit further and draw a line parallel to this line, which we will have a right angle here. This segment should be also z and this line segment should be also x, and we have a right angle. We can use Pythagorean theorem to find the value of x. As we know, we have a rhombus here, and to find the value of area, we can write area is equal to half of the multiplication of the diagonals. So we can write 1/2 times x, which will be finally have 1/2 x squared. If we put these segments side by side, we will have a length of 5 units, which is equal to these lengths. If we consider the slope degree as alpha, we will have also here alpha and also here alpha, because the slope degree and slope lengths of these two are equal. If we consider x, and we already donated this segment as y and this segment as z, we found that the whole length is x. So finally we will have y plus z is equal to x. So if we go back, so we donated this one as x and this one as y and this one as z. The whole length will be 2x because we have found that y plus z is equal to x, and we already take this segment as x. So we can write the Pythagorean theorem. We can use Pythagorean theorem, so we can write x squared plus 2x whole squared should be equal to 3 plus 5 plus 2 squared. We can write x squared plus 4x squared should be equal to 10 squared. If we simplify it a bit, we'll get 5x squared should be equal to 100, and if we divide both sides by 5, we'll get x squared, which should be equal to 20. So we don't need to simplify it further. If we go back to what we had for the area, we substitute the x squared with 20, so we can write 1/2 times 20, which is equal to 10. and 10 is the final answer, and it's the area of the rhombus. Thanks for watching.